In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate an image using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to create visuals for social media, design projects, content creation, thumbnails, or just to quickly bring an idea to life without needing advanced design skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT on your device. You can use the web version or the app, depending on what you prefer. Once ChatGPT is open, look for the plus button in the chat area. Click on that plus icon and then select Create Image. This is the option that lets you generate a picture directly from a text prompt. Now it's time to type your prompt. For example, you can enter, "Generate an image of a futuristic city at night, neon lights, realistic style." The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will usually be. You can describe the subject, the setting, the style, the lighting, and even the mood you want. After you submit the prompt, ChatGPT will start generating your image. Wait a few moments while it creates the visual based on your instructions. Once the image appears, you can customize the result if needed. If the image is close but not exactly what you want, try giving it a follow-up prompt. For example, you can say, "Make it more realistic, change to cartoon style," or add more details. These extra instructions help you refine the image until it matches your vision better. This is one of the best parts of using ChatGPT for image generation because you can keep adjusting the result without starting completely over. You can experiment with different styles, different colors, different environments, and different levels of detail until you get the perfect image. Once you're happy with the final result, you can download the image and save it to your device. From there, you can use it for social media posts, graphic design, blog content, presentations, or any other creative project you have in mind. And that's it. You've now learned how to generate an image using ChatGPT. It's fast, simple, and a great way to create custom visuals in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.